My name is Amartya Naskar and I am currently pursuing my PGDM at Jain Chennai. I recently completed 2-month live project internship as finance intern with Sunseas Textile Private Limited. This experience provided me valuable practical exposure and hands-on understanding of how the corporate finance environment operates. During the internship, I had opportunity to work on two important platforms, Naukrisati.com and Internsati.com, which are the part of Sunseas Textile project. Through this journey, I was involved in conducting competitor financial analysis, which helped me understand industry trends and company performance. I also connected and interacted with chartered accounts and company secretaries, which significantly enhanced my financial knowledge and gave me deeper insights into corporate practices. I would like to sincerely thank Sunseas Textile for providing such a meaningful learning opportunity that helps shapes young professionals and build future careers. I would especially thank to my gratitude to Ashwini Garg, CHRO of Sunseas Textile, who has more than 20 years of experience across various companies. His mentoring and guidance and greatly supported my project execution and helped me better understand the corporate industry. Thank you.